Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well today. Thank you for joining the meetings today. We are here to share and discuss our new product idea, the Smart Drinking Bottle. Each of us will present a different part of the business plan, so let's get started. The first things we are going to discuss is about a product feature, and I'd like to invite our team member to present this part. So, Sarah, please go ahead and explain the product feature.
Yeah, thank you so much for the time and thank you so much everyone for joining the meeting today. I would like to introduce about our uh, feature in the products, the smart drinking bottle. So this product is designed to combine the daily convenience and the technology in the modern society like us today, as we know. And of course, the hope is that this product will be like a new innovation for the water drinking bottle. I will begin to explaining the two key features that we have in our drinking water bottle. The first thing is the hydration reminder, where we're gonna put like a notification or we're gonna install a sensor, where this sensor is also gonna be connected to the smartphone through the application. So then it can send a reminder to the user when they're gonna drink, and then the user also can control it, the timer, like how many hours they can set up or how many hours that the user can get the notification through their phone so they can remember that they can drinking enough water in a day. And other than that, the system is also can set automatically by how many liters that the user can setting. Like for example, in a day they can drink like 3 liters of the water, and then they can set up so then the water also can count it in a day. So that's mean if the user is drinking less than that, they can also get a notification to their application. And the second, this has also comes with the GPS technology. That's mean in this drinking water bottle also have a GPS system, so the user can track it through their phone if they lost or they're missing the water bottles. As we know, we always use the drinking water bottle in the sport event or when we are outside in the office and so on and extra. And it's often time that we lost the drinking water because sometimes we just don't remember about it. And through this technology and the innovation, the user can detect the location and then track it. So then it's reducing the risk of losing the water bottle. And lastly, I also have the opinion maybe it might be good that this water bottle coming with the neon color, something like pink or yellowish or green neon, because it's matching with the modern and young energy of our users. But I really open to any others' opinions if later on in the end of the meeting that they have an idea to give something like that. And that's the conclusion is that this water bottle will be the new innovation for people's lifestyle because they're not just having a standard water bottle, but they have the water bottle with the technology. I think that's for me that I could explain. Maybe I can send back to Miss Putu.
Okay, thank you for the explain, Sarah. I really agree with your product and really interested. So for the color, maybe you can bring much color to the market.
Yeah. The color maybe still open for the many ideas about it. Some maybe like if it's natural or maybe nude color like brown or something like that or natural. But yeah, if everyone thinks that maybe the natural color is better than the neon color,
Yeah,
maybe later on we can decide about it. But yeah.
yeah. Okay, maybe we can discuss with our R&D teams. Yeah.
Yes,
So
correct.
thank you for the your explain, and maybe we are move to the review. So next we want to explain about pricing and the financial plan. Previously, we focused on outlining our product and highlighting their key feature. In the next section, and we will shift our attention to pricing and financial plan. My parts today, today's meeting is to talk about the pricing strategy and provide an overview of the financial project for this product. So for these products, our target market position is to mid to medium to high segment. We see the segment as having a stronger purchasing power and higher expectation for the quality and innovation. By focusing on this market, we aim to deliver not only a product that meets their needs, but also create added value and a premium experience that set us apart from competitors. I had a discussion before with our R&D team and the production teams. From the data I gather, the production cost for one smart bottle approximately about 115,000 rupiah per unit, and this figure does not yet include it with expenses, marketing and advertising costs. So, okay. So this is the calculation on the screen for the financial planning and projection. Starting with the cost structure, yeah, the production cost, it costs 115,000 rupiah per unit, and marketing and advertising get 20% and advertising, and 10% for distribution and logistic. Another 10% is for other operational expenses. So to determine the selling price, we apply cost plus method. The formula is the production cost divided by 1% for marketing, distribution, operational, and expenses, plus desire for profit margin. As an example, if we set the selling price without adding any profit margin, we just break even to the calculation will be 150 divided 0.60. Mungkin maybe next, Sarah, please, next to the slide, which equal 250 per unit. This means at IDR 250,000 rupiah per unit, we cover all costs, but do not yet generate a sum of profit. In the next step, we can adjust formula by adding the desired profit margin to determine our final setting price. I get some calculation. Yeah, I put some calculation from 0 until 14%. So if we add 20% profit margin, the selling price become around 375,000 with 13% margin. It goes up to 500,000 rupiah. So our final price range would be 375 and 500 depending on our strategy. And we also need to check our competitor price to see our product is competitive or not. For the example, we in our market now, we have brands like Corkcicle, Stanley, or Consol high-end bottle, and their price can serve as a benchmark for us. That's why we need a marketing team to analyze this further so we can positioning our product at the right price point. That's all for me. Let's continue with the next question for our team, maybe.
Okay.
You have a question?
As we know, I think so. What is a final price you think we can sell it on the market?
as I said before, we need to compare with the other competitor because we need to check what price can fits on the market. But I think now we can set 13% margin to cover our production costs, etc.
Yeah, I do agree because
Mm.
you can check like Stanley and so on, the price is up to 800,000
Yeah,
and our bottle come with the technology. So I think for the very beginning to introduction, we can sell it for early bird like 500,000. I think it's quite good because if it's too low, then maybe the brand could be like lower, you know.
yeah.
That's the opinion that I could have. So I agree.
Yeah, because we have the smart cars also.
Yes.
Yeah, we have some technologies that can showing to the market, so we can set the margin quite middle to high, but maybe Sarah said 500,000 is starting a price quite a good.
Okay, thank you.
So we can next to the next member to continue our discussion for the competitor analysis maybe.
Sorry, Sarah. I think we need to move to the marketing first because we check for the competitor, right?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Maybe jump into the marketing first.
Okay. Okay, let's start. As we know, all the key features and pricing are clear from our partner, Sarah and Putu. So today I'll present the marketing strategy for our smart drinking bottle. Our goal is to positioning this product as a must-have, health-conscious young professional and student in urban areas who value both wellness and technology. As we know that our generation now, it's always have a point to be healthy, right? All the people have the healthy.
Sorry, Miss Vivian, we lost you.
So we need for the first point, we need focus on digital campaign. We are prioritize the digital campaigns, especially on maybe we can try to make an account to marketing the our butter bottle in Instagram or TikTok, and we collaborate with the many influencer. I think we can try for 2 or 3 to see the market, and also we can add some hashtag maybe to our to make people importance of the regular water intake, as we have the feature of the reminder to drink, right? So do you guys have an idea what hashtag we can mention in our posts in social media maybe?
Maybe never forget your water bottle. Hashtag. Or maybe hashtag the bottle comes with the technology.
Yeah, the battle with the technology maybe. I don't have idea actually.
Yeah,
But yeah, we can discuss for the hashtags for
We
marketing.
we can discuss for the
Yeah.
hashtag later. Also, we can move. Maybe from me, I have an idea to have the hashtag stay healthy, stay hydrated. But it can add some words with a technology idea we can discuss later. So we can move to the target market. we know our main target is a young professional and university student in big city, like Stanley, Corsical, and Wala is also sell in a big city like Jakarta, Surabaya. I have never found it on a small city like in Central Java, like my hometown only is Kudus. They haven't sell it yet because the target market is the price also I think is not competitive yet. We believe this segment will appreciate both of the smart features and trendy design also, right? Because our generation is like to have a good technology. So I think our bottle will have a good sales in this. So to complement our online efforts, we will activate our brand offline. We can make a stand in a sports event, I think maybe, and also community catering. This will allow potential customer to experience the product firsthand and ask questions directly. So we can ask them how they think our bottle design and also the features also. In the booth, also we can launch a pre-order campaign to create a buzz and secure early sales. So we can sell it the bottle earlier, and also in additional, we will offer bundling with other health product like whey protein for the gym people, or also bundling with the gym membership maybe to increase our perceived value and encourage a larger purchase. So we can make a collaboration with a big gym membership like Anytime Fitness or FitHub maybe. So every member can indirectly use the bottle also. So that's all overview from me as a marketing. So I open to any feedback or suggestion before we move to Q&A. Before we move to next collaboration idea.
Yeah, I think I do agree with it, especially now with the hype of paddle sport. We can also maybe targeting to them, and tennis, something like that, and many sport activities. I think it's a good idea to launch some event with them.
Yeah.
Okay. So Miss Wiwin mentioned that the price is quite highly for some areas, yeah. So we need to set the budget from the marketing, from the product, from the R&D. We need to set budget wisely, right? So we can set down the price for the so we can move to the other area to sell the product. Not only in the big city, not only in Jakarta or Surabaya or Bali.
But I think that price that you give is quite okay because we have this good feature, right, and a good technology. So I think the price should be okay for the small city also, because the Corsical, Owala, and Stanley only have the good design bottle and I think the price you have given, it should be okay for the good features and technology.
Okay, noted.
The last one, maybe Virginia. Yeah, we have just 2 minutes. Later we can crop this part.
Hello guys.
Yeah, we have
Test.
only 2 minutes left.
Okay. So I'll try to make it quick. So for I think this is not my slide. Can you go further?
Oh, what is your slide? Sorry, Virginia.
Competitor collaboration.
This is competitor analysis, and then this is what you show up. This is
Not this one. Can you go any further?
till the last one.
Yeah, I guess Mr. This the last one.
This one.
This one.
Okay. Sorry, our Zoom sessions run out of the times earlier. Let's continue from where we left off. Virginia, please continue the meeting.
Okay, thank you, Trisna. So for computer collaboration, we believe it is not just about working with other brands, but about building a bigger ecosystem around hydration and healthy living. Rather than seeing a competitor as a rivals, we can turn them into partner that help us grow the market together. We have 4 key strategy for this collaboration. First, co-branding and limited edition. Imagine we're launching a special edition smart drinking bottle in collaboration with a major sport apparel brands like Nike or Adidas, or with healthy lifestyle brands such as Culinar Fitco. This kind of partnership bring double exposure. We can tap into their loyal customer base and they benefit from offering a new innovative product under their name. Limited edition often create a sense of urgency, encouraging customer to buy early before it sells out. It also give us our product a premium and collectible feel, which can strengthen our brand positioning in the mid to high market segment. Second, product bundling. Here, the idea is to work with brands that offer complementary product rather than their competition. For example, we could partner with companies making product for kids or even with meal prep brand and fitness supplement companies. Together, we could create a hydration kit that include our smart drinking bottle, a meal or snack pack, and perhaps a small healthy guide. This type of bundling gives customer a complete lifestyle solution, increasing perceived value while driving sales for both partners. That also allow us to reach audience we might not be targeting directly, like parents or fitness enthusiasts. Third, join event and challenge. Offline activity is still powerful, especially for healthy related product. We can join sport event, fitness expos, and universities health aware together with our partner. But we can also make it interactive. For example, launching a drink 2 liters a day challenge where participants use our smart drinking bottle to track their intake. At the end of the challenge, winners receive a prize from both our brand and partner brand. This creates a fun community-driven experience and position our bottle not just as gadget but as part of a healthy habit. Finally, knowledge sharing and awareness campaign. Education is a key to change behavior. We can amplify our message by working together with other players in the market. We could create shared social media campaigns, share video tips of hydration, or even online webinar with health experts. Instead of fighting over market share, this approach grows the overall awareness of why hydration is important. When people understand the benefit of drinking enough water daily, they are more likely to buy solutions that support their habit, including our product. Overall, competitor collaboration allows us to expand our reach, create unique experience for customer, and strengthen the positioning of our brands as a leader in smart hydration technology. It turns out potential rival into allies and help us build a bigger, healthier market for everyone. So, anyone have any question?
I would like to ask something like, if we release the special edition smart drinking bottle with their logo or design, is it gonna affecting our brand? Or should we combine both of them? Thank you.
I thought it's not necessarily that Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Yeah, I would like to know when we release the special edition Smart Drinking Bottle with their logo and design, is it gonna affecting our brand? Because we're gonna bring like Adidas or Nike brand, right, to our water bottle. Isn't it affecting our own brand in the future or something like that?
Of course, it's gonna affect our brand. I thought we have a new brand that not necessarily everyone knows about. When we try to sell our brand with their logo, they might ask what kind of brand is this. So it's give us an exposure, so they will know more about. They will try to find what bottle is they're selling. I guess like that.
Yeah, so yeah, okay, agree. So maybe it's more like a collaboration between us and their brand, right?
Right.
Thank you.
Anyone? So if there's no more question, I guess that's it for me. And give back to you, Krishna. You can uh, do it again.
Now we're coming back to the conclusion, yeah.
Yeah. So today we are here some of idea from our team. Maybe we can generate a meeting next month to scheduling our product launching. Maybe Sarah, you have an idea what a good times to launch the product?
I would say, yeah, maybe the launching is during starting the sport event, because we can check maybe in nearby there is some Olympic or Olympiad or some event like that, and then we can come and join to them. So then we can get like many views as possible and many
Yeah.
markets as possible. So I would say that we can start as fast as we can with the production. So when the time is really coming, our product is ready to come out to the market.
Yeah, I do agree with you because it can increase visibility and credibility when we launch the product near the big competition like Olympic or one that can a competition, maybe football competition or any sport competition, other sport competition.
Yeah.
So
color, maybe we can think about it, because to minimize the cost of the production, maybe we can think about which color we can produce first.
I do agree with you. The vibrant color, it can I catching product, yeah. Maybe
Okay.
4 or 5 color for the first launch. Maybe we can make some limited edition color or some limited edition collaboration color.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So for marketing, do you have any explanation?
For color, I think bright and neon color are trending among younger customer, right? And it also can help our product stand out. But if the theme feels
Sorry, we lost you, Vivian.
Hello?
Can you repeat?
Oh, sorry.
You-
In my opinion, for bright and neon color is okay because it is are trendy among the youngsters, right? And also can help our product stand out. But can we add some color for black and white? Because maybe there is some people who like only neutral color, and he don't like the bright neon color, but he really likes our product. Maybe we can add some basic color like black and white.
Yeah, okay. Maybe we can start with the production with the 4 colors, 2 bright or pop-up color, and then the 2 colors are more naturals. Maybe that can be the conclusion for
Yeah.
starting production here.
Sarah, is that an MOQ for the production? Because the MOQ, it can affect for the cost.
So far not, yeah, because I'm not in the production, but I would ask to the production team about it. But right now, the feature that we do have, I just suggest for 2 feature with the hydration reminder and the GPS tracking. And so far, we got the supplier from China, and they are really quite cheap according to many among the competitor for the supplier. So I think we can make it work. But of course, we're going to talk deeper to the production section about it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Anything else, maybe?
From me, maybe it's enough for today. It's much clearer for today. Yeah. Maybe we can set the meeting next month.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, guys. Because I do believe that we really have a big potential in this product in the market.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay. We do a positive energy to launch this production. So I think that's the wrap for our meetings today. Thank you for joining and sharing your input. We'll keep you updated on the progress and next action. So have a great day. Thank you for coming.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Okay.
Okay. I'll try to make it quick. For computer collaboration, I had 4 points. First, branding or limited edition. I think we can collaborate with sport apparel brands like Nike or Adidas, or healthy lifestyle companies like Kulina or Fitco. Together, we could release special edition smart drinking bottle with their logo or custom design. This will not only attract their loyal customer, but also make our product look more exclusive and collectible. Second, for product bundling, instead of competing directly, we can partner with brands whose product complement ours. For example, bottles or accessories for kids or meal prep kits. We can create a hydration kit package that combines our smart drinking bottle with their product, giving customer extra value and encouraging cross-selling. And for the third joint event, we could participate in Sport Expo,